Okay. So itong link, hindi ko alam hanggang saan. Siguro sa dulo niya mismo. Ayun. So yun, 30. So itong link na to, dulo. Ayan, 32.6 millimeters. Tapos ito naman, itong link na to, 34.3 millimeters. Yung link nito ay yung dulo. Yan. 29.5. And then it most likely same sa harap, pero double check natin. Habutin ko yung dulo niya. Ayan, 30 sarado. Kung dito ko kunin, baka lang mas accurate. 29.3. Hindi, ayan. So 29.9 or 30. Yung link na yon. So ito ulit, lakas ng hangin sa labas. This link, ayun, 34. Ganito, sinukat ko ng ganito, 34. Tapos I'm guessing same dito. Kalimutan ko ilan yung sukat ko kanina, pero mas accurate siguro to. 34. Ito 34.1. Teka lang, mali ako. So hindi ko mahawakan. Ayun, 34.1. Siguro 34 din. Yun yung links. And now we are going to open the gearbox. Okay, one part of the gearbox, then the other one. So basically we have 1 2 3 4 gears, right? 1 2 3 4 gears, and I'm gonna check if there's any label. Okay, I didn't see any label, so we'll count them manually. So I marked it there, mark it red. So that's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So this small thing is 12. 1 2 3 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. So that big one there is 19. Okay, let's go to the other one. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. All right, this is 9, and then 1 2 3 21 22 23 24 25 26. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. That is 9. Then 1 2 3 24 25 26 27 28. That is 28. All right, then lastly the pinion. So let's mark it first. Let's mark number 1. So that's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That is 8. All right, we just counted all the gears. Okay, I'll be putting everything back together, guys, and I thank you so much for your time tuning in. I hope I was able to help you decide whether you'll be upgrading the gearbox or not. And let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. Thank you. Please do subscribe and share my video. Salamat.